Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to clear both your search and watch history in YouTube Kit using your desktop browser. Let's begin. First, go to youtubekit.com and sign in using your parent account linked to your child's profile. Once you're signed in, click on the profile icon on the top right corner. From the menu, select the child's profile you want to manage. Next, click on the gear icon to access the parent settings. You will be asked to enter a verification code. Just type in the numbers shown to continue. Now, scroll down until you see the clear history option. When you click it, you'll see a prompt letting you know that this will remove both your child's watch and search history from your YouTube Kit. Go ahead and click clear, then confirm by selecting OK. And that's it. Your child's viewing and search record will now be erased. Pro tip: you can repeat this process regularly to keep your child's experience fresh and clean. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.